Hello guys, I'm Leah.
And I'm Ira. We are your scholar guides for this campus virtual tour.
Welcome to the STEM world of the Philippine Science High School Central Visayas Virtual Campus Tour.
We fondly call our school Pisay, or the PSHS Mountain Resort Campus. Get ready to explore the vibrant tapestry of our campus and uncover its remarkable abodes. Our journey begins at the gateway of knowledge, the grand entrance of Pisay. Picture yourself stepping through these gates, filled with anticipation and excitement, as you embark on a transformative ride of educational experience. As you enter our campus, you'll notice the three layered spaces which serve as the gateways to our campus, welcoming you to a world of knowledge, discovery, and growth. Take a moment to soak in the beauty of these paths as they guide you to your destination, connecting various parts of the campus. From the entrance, you'll navigate through walkways with lush green spaces, creating a harmonious blend of nature and structures.
Beyond the walkways, you'll find an array of amenities and infrastructure that enhance the campus experience, from outdoor bonding and collaboration spaces that foster a sense of community to academic journey trails. Our campus infrastructure is thoughtfully designed to cater to the diverse needs of our students. This 5-hectare campus houses structures for the 3 divisions, such as Curriculum and Instruction, or CID, Student Services, or SSD, and Finance and Administrative, or FAD.
Under Curriculum and Instruction Division, the PSHS provides formal education through classroom instruction covering science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, language arts, social studies, PEM, and other specialized subjects. Teachers deliver lessons with 21st century skills, conducting higher-order thinking skill assessments, and facilitate innovative learning. Aside from these subjects, teachers serve tutorial and catch-up services for those students who are academically challenged. The CID created a pool of teachers and resource speakers for the students' achievement and college admission examination reviews. We have alternative learning activities including Marching Band, Eagle Society, Happy Yarn, Kusinang Pinoy, ChemSoc, Einstein Club, Artspirants, Legions of Pisay, Model United Nations, Ang Tugatog, Voice of Pisay Scholars, PMT, and AFS. These activities provide students with opportunities to explore their interests, develop talents, and engage in social interaction. School also provides technology resources to students and teachers to enhance learning and smoothen teachers' academic matters. The Civics provides computer labs, strong internet access, and one-stop shop for the teachers' academic records, the Pisay Connect. Under Student Services Division, it delivers services that includes basic medical care, first aid, and health education. Our school nurses and physician addresses students' health needs, administer medications, conduct screenings, and promote overall well-being. Our school counselors provide guidance and support to scholars in various areas, including academic, personal, and career development. They help students' course selection and assist with college and career planning. Students can have access to a wide range of books, digital resources, and other educational materials. Our cordial librarian is always willing to assist inquiries of the students. School encourages parental involvement through Parent-Teacher Association, projects, Parent-Teacher Conference, and volunteering activities. The parents' involvement fosters collaboration between the school and parents to support student success. Whether it's a peaceful spot for reflection, a lively area for group discussion, or a picturesque backdrop for social interaction, our campus provides a perfect setting to enrich your academic journey.
Another proud amenity are the resident halls for the female scholars. These havens become their sanctuary, a home away from home. Experience the warmth and support of a tight-knit community where bonds are forged, dreams are nurtured, and empowering voices rise together. Let's venture into the academic zone, where ideas take shape and futures are forged. Behold,
Academic Buildings 1 to 4. Each a testament to discovery and intellectual pursuit. These architectural structures serve as incubators for innovation, fostering collaboration, and fueling the passion of students and faculty alike. As we explore further, we come across the beating heart of learning, the classrooms. These dynamic spaces serve as a backdrop for intellectual growth, lively discussions, innovative exploration, and transformative education. Whether you find yourself in a lecture hall or a smaller seminar room, our classrooms are designed to accommodate different teaching methodologies and cater to various disciplines like science and mathematics, technology, humanities, and social science subjects. From interactive presentations to group projects and lively debates, these spaces nurture critical thinking, innovation, creativity, problem solving, and effective communication.
Our dedicated faculty members, experts in their fields, bring their passion for teaching and their wealth of knowledge into these classrooms, inspiring students to explore new ideas, challenge conventional and unconventional wisdom, and strive for excellence.
Let's explore further in the 3-floor laboratories that fuel scientific exploration and discovery. These laboratories serve as the epicenters of hands-on learning, allowing students to apply their theoretical knowledge in practical settings. Step into the physics laboratory, a realm where laws of the universe come to life. Equipped with various equipment and technology, this laboratory provides an immersive environment for students to conduct experiments, explore the fundamental principles of physics, and uncover the mysteries of the cosmos.
Our next stop is the chemistry laboratory, a space where elements fuse, reactions unfold, and chemical wonders unravel. Here, students engage in hands-on experiments, observe chemical transformations, and deepen their understanding of the building blocks of matter.
Then, the biology laboratory, an oasis of life sciences. This space provides students with the opportunity to explore the wonders of living organisms, conduct biological experiments, and delve into the complexities of the natural world.
Let's enter the computer laboratory, a digital sanctuary where innovation thrives. In this space, students harness the power of programming, computing, and data analysis to solve complex problems and unleash their creativity. Beyond the realms of science and technology, we delve into innovation and creativity through our research laboratory and makerspace. These dedicated spaces provide students with the opportunity to pursue cutting-edge research projects, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and making groundbreaking discoveries.
Our commitment to innovation is reflected in our classrooms as well. Some of our classrooms are equipped with educational and innovative technologies that allow students to engage with virtual simulations, hands-on experiments, and multimedia presentations that can enhance the learning capabilities of students and provide them with skills that align with the ever-changing demands of modern society.
Civisco Souvenir Shop is PSHS Civisc's student-run souvenir shop. Here we showcase the fruits of the creative hands and minds of our scholars. Their innovations and inventions serve as a representation of the diverse talents that PSHS Civisc has to offer. From brainstorming sessions over casual conversations to business meetings with the TLO, Civisco is a representation of our hard work.
Our journey through the campus continues to the Art, Design, and Technology Laboratory.
This AdTech laboratory is a heaven for creativity and artistic expression. This vibrant space serves as a melting pot of ideas where students unleash their imagination and bring their artistic visions to life.
The Physics Laboratory, Chemistry Laboratory, Biology Laboratory, and Computer Laboratory, Research and AdTech Laboratories represent the forefront of scientific exploration and experimentation at the Philippine Science High School Central Visayas campus.
Let's not forget the importance of holistic well-being. We are at the Academic Hub, the center of energy, fun, and learning. Here, students converge, exchange ideas, and forge lifelong connections. Feel the buzz of intellectual curiosity as you witness the fusion of technology, creativity, and critical thinking in action. On this side of the Academic Hub is the Curriculum and Instruction Division's office, where the pillars of academic excellence are strengthened. On the other side, we reach the Student Services Division office, our hub of support and guidance leadership. This space, along with offices under SSD, students can find assistance, engage in extracurricular activities, and discover opportunities for personal and professional development. Welcome to our Academic Hub, which is also considered as the co-curricular and extracurricular activity center. As we explore further, we come across a bustling hub of activity. This dynamic space serves as the catalyst for personal growth, fostering a rich and diverse range of experiences beyond the classroom.
Ito ang espasyo na kung saan ang mga mag-aaral ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na madiskubre ang kanilang mga talento na labas sa kanilang asignatura. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang mga gawain, mula sa iba't ibang mga clubs at organisasyon hanggang sa paglalaro ng iba't ibang sports at mga malikhaing gawain na kung saan ito ang puso ng campus. Dito ay makakikita ng iba't ibang oportunidad na mapalawak ang kanilang pananaw at makadiskubre sa pagmamahal sa pagkanta, pagluluto, pagkokrochet, pagguhit, paglalaro ng sports, pagserbisyo sa komunidad, o pagpapahusay sa pamumuno. Ang Academic Hub ay nagbibigay ng pagkakataon na ipagpatuloy ang iyong mga interes labas sa akademya at matuto ng iba't ibang kasanayan na maaaring gamitin panghabang buhay.
Engage in stimulating debates, showcase your artistic talents, participate in friendly athletic competitions, or contribute to the community through service initiatives. The possibilities are endless with this hub of co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Behold, the expansive gymnasium, where the pursuit of physical fitness intertwines with the pursuit of academic excellence. Experience the energy of athletes pushing their limits and students finding balance in body and mind. The Academic Hub and Gymnasium are not just physical spaces. They represent the spirit of camaraderie, personal growth, and holistic development that defines Visayas civis. As we explore more into the campus, we will see administrative divisions that keep the campus running smoothly.
We will take you to the Finance and Administrative Division, or FAD offices, the web of school operational support. Witness the dedicated individuals who work behind the scenes, ensuring the seamless functioning and providing support to the entire campus community.
As we explore further, we come across an important hub of leadership and administration, the Campus Director's Office. This is where strategic decisions are made and the vision of our institution comes to life. The Campus Director's Office serves as the epicenter of guidance and mentorship, where ideas are nurtured and innovation is encouraged. This is a place where students, faculty, and staff can seek support and guidance, fostering a strong sense of community and collaboration.
The Campus Director's Office is not just a physical space. It represents the dedication and commitment of our campus leadership in providing an exceptional educational experience for all scholars.
Our virtual tour takes us to the boys' residence halls, where life blossoms, friendships flourish, and memories are etched. Step into these residence halls as camaraderie fills the air and a strong sense of brotherhood serves as a foundation for personal growth. As we near the end of this tour, take a moment to marvel at the other growing infrastructures that grace our campus. From the serene gardens that invite contemplation, to modern laboratories buzzing with scientific breakthroughs. Each structure adds its unique charm to the vivid tapestry of the Philippine Science High School, Central Visayas campus. This virtual tour of our Pisay Civis has unveiled the soul of our campus, from its rich academic heritage to its nurturing residential communities.
We hope this glimpse ignites your imagination and steers your desire to become part of this extraordinary institution.
To learn more about our campus, visit our webpage or call us. We eagerly await your questions and are ready to provide further information.
Discover how you can become a part of this enthusiastic community at the Philippine Science High School Central Visayas campus.
In pursuit of the glorious Philippines.